I bought and tested these portable tire inflators so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me tell you, when it comes to keeping your tires properly inflated, a reliable inflator can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Stick around as I dive into the top 5 products that stood out in my testing.
Product number 1, AirMoto Tire Inflator. Let me share my experience with the AirMoto Tire Inflator. Right from the start, I was impressed with its compact design. It fits snugly in my glove box, which is a huge plus for someone like me who tends to forget equipment. I took it out one Saturday morning to inflate my car tire, which had dropped to about 30 psi. The AirMoto's digital pressure gauge was easy to read, and I loved the fact that I could set my desired PSI and let the device do the rest. Just a few minutes later, I heard the satisfying click that indicated it had reached the correct pressure. This auto shutoff feature is a game changer. No more worrying about overinflation. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, the AirMoto is incredibly versatile. It comes with multiple attachments, so I was able to inflate my bike tires and even a basketball without any hassle. The built-in LED light is also handy for those late-night emergencies. However, I noticed that the battery life can be somewhat inconsistent. It struggled a bit when inflating larger tires. For everyday use though, it's more than adequate. So why buy the AirMoto? If you're looking for reliability and portability, this product checks all the boxes. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick solution for tire inflation on the go. Whether you're a weekend warrior or just someone who values convenience, the AirMoto is a solid investment.
Product number 2, astroai L7 Tire Inflator. Next up is the astroai L7 Tire Inflator, which caught my eye with its sleek design and lightweight build. Weighing in at just under a pound, it's a breeze to carry around. I took this little guy out during a recent road trip and it became my trusty companion. Inflating my tires was a cinch. I simply selected the car mode and let it work its magic. The advanced True Gauge screen provided real-time pressure readings, which was reassuring. I filled my tires from 30 to 36 psi in about a minute and a half. Pretty slick. On the downside, the astroai L7 is not meant for heavy-duty tires. While it does an excellent job for cars and bikes, you might want something more robust if you own larger vehicles. The battery also has a limit. I managed to refill about 8 tires on a single charge, but it's something to keep in mind. So why should you consider the astroai L7? It's budget-friendly, efficient, and offers impressive features for its price point. If you're an occasional user looking for a reliable inflator that won't break the bank, this one's for you.
Product number 3, astroai Tire Inflator. The next contender is another astroai product, but this one operates on a corded electric system. I found it a bit bulky compared to the L7, but it has its perks. For instance, the 9.8-foot cord is a lifesaver when you're trying to reach tires in the rear of your vehicle. I tested it out in my garage and I appreciated the programmable inflation feature. Setting my desired PSI was straightforward and intuitive. It even has a smart auto-off function that kicks in once it reaches the preset pressure. However, the noise level is a bit higher at 80 decibels, which could be off-putting if you're in a quiet area. One thing I noted is that it needs to be plugged into a running vehicle, which can limit its portability. Why buy this astroai model? If you often find yourself at home and prefer a more powerful inflator that can handle more significant tire sizes, this could be your go-to. It's built to last and gets the job done efficiently.
Product number 4, dewalt Tire Inflator. Now let's talk about the dewalt Tire Inflator. This tool is marketed as a heavy-duty option, and I put it through its paces. Right off the bat, the build quality is impressive. You can tell it's made for serious work. I was thrilled with the 3 power source options. You can use a 20V battery, a 12V outlet, or a standard 110-volt AC. On a recent camping trip, I was able to inflate my air mattress as well as my car tires without any hiccups. The automatic shutoff feature worked flawlessly, and I didn't have to monitor it closely. However, the price point is higher than some other options, which might deter some buyers. Also, being a tool only, you'll have to invest in a battery if you don't already have one. So why buy the dewalt tire inflator? If you're in the market for something durable, versatile, and capable of handling everything from tires to larger items like rafts, this is a fantastic choice. It's definitely a long-term investment for anyone serious about outdoor activities or frequent road trips. Product number 5, Oler Hike Tire Inflator. Let's check out the Oler Hike Tire Inflator. Right from the start, I was impressed by its dual power mode, using either a rechargeable battery or plugging it into a 12V outlet. I took it along on a weekend getaway and found it incredibly handy. The 6000 mAh battery is a powerhouse. I was able to inflate several tires without needing to recharge. It inflated my standard car tire in just under a minute, which is pretty impressive. One feature that stood out to me was the ultra-large display, which made it easy to monitor my tire pressure. The auto shutoff feature is another bonus. I could set it and forget it. On the flip side, it's a bit bulkier than I expected, which could be a drawback for those with limited storage space. Why buy the Oler Hike Tire Inflator? If you want a reliable, efficient inflator that gives you options for power sources and is easy to use, this one should be on your radar. It's perfect for emergency situations or regular tire maintenance. In conclusion, investing in a quality portable tire inflator is a smart move for anyone who values safety and convenience. Each of these products has unique features catering to different needs. Whether you're looking for something compact, powerful, or budget-friendly, there's a perfect option for you. Don't wait until you're stranded with a flat. Pick one up today.